Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna get Franken planning today. We are gonna make it happen. I am going to be combining my current Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly, this is a January through December 2019, with the new Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly. I have the July through the June. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them together and make a beautiful planner baby that is perfect for me in every single way. I'm gonna take the next 6 months in this one and put it in this one. So I will have two monthly calendars back to back. One is going to be my main calendar that I've been using, the same style and everything, but the other one, the new planner, the new calendar, is going to be my blog post and YouTube video content tracker situation dealio. We'll see how this gets going. We'll make it happen. So I'm going to show you how I uncoil these, how I recoil them into the Franken planner of my dreams, and then I'll do a flip through to show you what it all looks like. So let's head over to my handy dandy desk and get started. So I took off the two covers from the planners, as well as took out any possible things that would make uncoiling and recoiling difficult. So like my sticky notes, this little project tracker was in the back pocket. So I'm just gonna remove all of those, set them aside, and then I can put them back on when I'm done coiling. So I've done coiling videos before, so you can definitely go check those out if you want to see a more step-by-step process. I'm gonna kind of speed up through this one specifically, but I have two different tools. I have a little wrench as well as some pliers, and more often than not I use the pliers, but if I need to straighten out the side of anything, I will use the little wrench as well. I highly recommend just doing one side. There's really no reason to do the second side. You can always just get away with one. The smoother you can get it, the better it will be to uncoil and recoil. I also know that people get really worried about the colored coils chipping when you uncoil. I honestly am not super finicky about it. I just try to be deliberate with my actions, so I'm not spending a ton of time like messing around with the coil or anything like that. So then you just start spinning. Okay, we have successfully uncoiled two planners. So I'm gonna set these aside, and now I'm going to arrange the book in the way that I want them. So I know that the first months are already done, so I'm just going to flip to the spot that I know I'm gonna start adding things in. So we're on July, so I'm gonna go to the July section in here, and I know a lot of people are like frustrated that the tabs are not like, they don't go directly to the monthly view. Personally, I love it because that way I don't have to deal with tabs and I can just add in the monthly view. So I have my main monthly view, and then it's going to go into my secondary monthly view that I've already finished for my blog and YouTube. So I'm just going to keep going through each of the months. So this will be August, then I'm going to flip the one page, find the August section and the other, and then add that in. So there will be a notes page dividing the two, which I might use for like notes for work or something, or blog post ideas or photos I need to take. I'm not entirely sure yet, but we will get to that when we get to that. So I'm just going to keep going along, flipping tabs. So my plan is to not recoil this planner. The one you see here I'm going to recoil, but the one I'm getting these monthly views I'm not going to recoil, because I'm guessing that I'm gonna, if this works for me, I'm going to continue this double monthly view style next year. So I'm going to leave it uncoiled just to make my life easier, so I don't have to keep like uncoiling and recoiling. So I'm gonna keep adding these in. As you can see, I have a very busy Very busy year ahead of me. I'm quite excited though. So let's add those in. And then I'm going to go back to my notes section. I'm going to keep these all in here. I actually might pull out the Lunch Ladies one because I haven't been doing the Lunch Ladies meetings, so I want to keep this and maybe add it into a planner later, but I'm currently not really actively using that. So I'm going to remove that. Keep my book tracker. I'm going to keep my movies and my TV shows. So I have a decent amount of notes pages back here, so I'm going to just leave all of those. But I'm going to remove the stickers that come in the back of the planner. And then I'm also going to switch this pocket out, although it has some really cute stickers on it. I'm going to switch it out with the pocket from the new planner because it has the taller sides on both sides, and I definitely prefer that. So like I said, I'm going to leave the guts of the new planner uncoiled. I'm just going to put them in a drawer. That way I have the materials if I need them. I'm going to recoil my current main planner, and then I'll do a quick little flip through for you. So I'm going to coil it with the new black coil because I love the black coils. It's my favorite of the colored coils, so I'm going to use that one. Right now I'm just trying to get all the holes to align the best that they can to make this process a little bit easier. I know people will use like binder clips and stuff. I find that once I get it going, I don't really need that. The first few ones are definitely more difficult though without the binder. Oh, but that was pretty easy. So I find that if you like tilt the pages to like an angle, it's a lot easier to fit the coil through. Like I said, there is a full video of how I uncoil and recoil. I will link that if you are interested in checking that out, but we're gonna speed this along. So I wanted to show you what it looks like now that it's recoiled. So this is the like decorative quote page, the August monthly view, and then it goes into a note page, the dashboard from the new planner, and then the August monthly view again, and then the rest of the notes pages. So it does that for the rest of the year. I'm very excited to see how it'll work for me. And there you go. So now I'm just going to add the cover back on and then put my sticky notes and my project tracker back in this little pocket. So there you go. I combined two planner. With our powers combined, become one super planner. So I'm very excited to give this a go and see how it works for me. I've been kind of doing this already in two separate planners, so I'm very excited to see how it works in one perfect planner. Let me know in the comments below if you've done something like this, if you've combined different planners together to make the perfect planner system for you. I would love to hear what you've done or what you think about this planner. Do you think it'll work for me, or you're like, oh, Kayla, in a few months' time, you're gonna be uncoiling and recoiling again? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you see more planning, organization, and lifestyle videos from me every single week. Be sure to give this one a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!